Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Naveed Nabi and welcome to another episode of Motivation Naveed Times. In order to be successful, make Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as your role model. Leadership isn't just for CEOs, military generals, and people who govern nations. Leadership is for everyone. If street sweepers, garbage collectors, janitors can be senators or leaders, why not you? You can be a leader too. Leadership is not some sort of complex art reserved for the chosen ones, or people with Harvard degrees or with some powerful social backgrounds. We are all leaders by nature. We all have something inside us that really matters and that makes us great leaders of the world. We have a lot more power than we think. Unfortunately, in today's world, leaders introduce leadership as some sort of arrogant position for the next generations in order to protect their fake leadership titles. And wallahi, I have met and seen leaders of organizations with a clerkish mind, with no civic attitude. Such kind of leaders want to produce followers and slaves. Today's leaders must understand that the growth and development of people is the highest calling of leadership, which we don't have in Afghanistan, especially in our organizations. The one who influences others is a leader. The one who makes a difference to others is a leader. So my friends, your thoughts can make you popular or unpopular, slave or a leader. Your thoughts can make you powerful or powerless, secure or insecure. Don't take yourself lightly. You are sent for a purpose in this temporary world. In the end, to become a leader, be passionate. Build strong communication skills. Install creativity in your own way. Read the biographies of great conquerors, Muslim scholars. Read the biographies of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Have positive attitudes. Understand your weaknesses and strength and improve them. Develop strategic thinking, innovations, and take action. Be clear about your visions, values, and ideas, my young friends. In order to become a leader, set high standards. Don't compromise on those standards that you set for yourself. You are designed to become a leader. You are designed to have self-respect and personal pride.